We have received uh, letter from the office that she is not attending. But we are not excluding the possibility that she will attend, no? So there'll be a seat for her reserved at the center of the gallery, no, the VIP gallery. So if she decides to come, there will be a seat for her and her immediate staff. There will be, in fact, we will designate a holding room, no, for our vice president and her staff, as we have done in the past.
Pero sir, the letter from her office came before the House gave out the invitations to the SONA?
No, we receive it after we have sent all the formal invitations to, we call them institutional guests, no? Heads of agencies, constitutional commissions, our justices of the Supreme Court, you know, and including the office of the Vice President. But we received this note that she won't be attending this coming SONA.